Confrontation 1. 1 after 8.
Let's cover a gun!
Keep up suppressing fire!
Far away!
You're supposed to be dead. I thought you'd say that. And for the life of me, could not come up with a comeback.
Forget your gun?
Don't need one.
Take 2 darts and call me in the morning. That was one.
You're no commander. You command nothing. You are a mirage.
Let's give him a merry old shake, eh, Watson? Yeah, we'll do whatever you just said.
You ain't waiting in the back anymore. This is pain, son. I've taken it upon myself to fire this thing. You are leaderless, but you always were.
There is no room in this world for the weak!
to fierce justice, Florentine.
I can't say as I'll do the same favor for you when the day comes.
Wasn't counting on it.
Forward.
Sullivan, what happened that night?
I was rescued.
By whom?
My father.
I thought you said he was dead.
He is.
It shook our hearts and rattled our bones and told us what to do. Our fight was sparked, our spirits arose to see this nightmare through. Then a voice like an anvil in the night urged us to listen, to understand it's all part of the Apparition mission.